The 7 Keys Retro Typewriter Mechanical Gaming Keyboard is the perfect blend of nostalgia and modern technology, offering a unique typing experience that appeals to both gamers and vintage keyboard enthusiasts. Its standout feature is its classic typewriter design, which instantly adds a retro charm to any desk setup. The round keycaps, reminiscent of old-fashioned typewriters, provide tactile satisfaction while typing or gaming, giving each keystroke a distinct, clicky feedback that feels incredibly authentic. Despite its vintage look, this keyboard is fully equipped with modern features, combining aesthetic appeal with high functionality. One of the most impressive aspects of this keyboard is its wireless connectivity. Equipped with Bluetooth technology, it allows seamless connection to multiple devices, including PCs, laptops, tablets, and even smartphones. Switching between devices is simple, making it ideal for users who work or game across different platforms. The keyboard also supports a long-lasting rechargeable battery, ensuring hours of uninterrupted use without worrying about constant recharging. Its compact size and lightweight design make it portable and convenient, perfect for both home and travel use. Performance-wise, the 7 Keys Retro keyboard is built for precision. The mechanical switches provide fast, accurate keystrokes, which is particularly advantageous for gaming or intense typing sessions. The response is consistent, and the tactile feedback reduces typing fatigue, enhancing overall comfort during extended use. Its wireless functionality doesn't compromise speed or reliability, ensuring smooth performance with minimal latency. Aesthetic customization is another appealing feature. The keyboard comes with subtle backlighting, allowing users to enjoy a cozy glow while maintaining the vintage look. The retro design paired with modern lighting creates a perfect balance between classic style and contemporary technology. The build quality is sturdy, with durable keycaps and a solid frame that ensures longevity even with heavy use. In summary, the 7 Keys Retro Typewriter Mechanical Gaming Keyboard is more than just a nostalgic piece of hardware. It's a fully functional, wireless, high-performance keyboard that enhances both typing and gaming experiences. Its unique vintage design, combined with modern mechanical switches, long battery life, and seamless connectivity, makes it one of the best choices for anyone looking to bring retro charm and modern convenience to their desk. Whether for gaming, work, or casual use, this keyboard stands out as a stylish and practical accessory for any setup.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.